Hello homeowners, my name is Evan James, I'm the warranty coordinator, and this is my partner in crime.
Gordon Cruz, warranty technician.
We're going to tell you everything you want to know about your Rinnai. Your Rinnai is your tankless hot water heater. This over here is your propane shutoff. With the pipe is on, against the pipe is off. Gordon's going to show you the inlets.
Here's the inlet for cold with the shutoff. Here's the out to your house that's hot. There's your shutoff. Over here we have a filter that should be changed out once a year. AP 431 is the model of the filter. Over here we have two places where a technician should, every year or so, clean out the heat exchanger. And how he does it is through these two valves.
You never want to go above 125 on your temperature. You could severely scold yourself once you get above that. This is also a condensation line that goes down into the French drain. You never have to worry about it. This is a hot water, it's a safety mechanism on there. If it ever gets too hot, this will kick on and blast the water into the sump pit. If you do the online registration within 90 days of closing on your home, you will get a
5-year
correct
warranty.
If you don't do it, you get a 2-year limited warranty on your parts. Very important to get that done.
Yeah, should get it done.